How's it going, buds and beauties? Welcome to Life of Naman, and today I'm gonna be taking a look at the Boat Earbuds 511 version 2. Now on this channel, if you don't know, I have reviewed two Boat Earbuds previously, the Boat Earbuds 441 and the 441 Pro, and among them, I love the 441 Pro. I actually have the 441 as well as the 441 Pro with me, but I use 441 Pro on daily basis for calls, for any meetings, for listening to music, going to gym, everything. I use the 441 Pro, and I actually expect the 511 to be a bit better than the 441 Pro, as it is the latest from the Boat AirDops series. But again, after reviewing like 10 plus earbuds and in various categories from the past 8-9 months, I've realized that to not expect anything from any earbud in any price range from any category, even if the model is new, old, or anything. I mean, don't expect the quality of the earbud before using them for at least 1 week. And that's where I come in. So I've been having these earbuds from the past 2 days, so I can totally tell you what is the quality of these earbuds. So let's start from the beginnings, the unboxing of this product. And also note, this is not the full review, these are still the first impressions, but 2 days is still a good amount of time for me to review any product. I use them aggressively during these 2 days, but yes, the full review will be coming out after 1 week of using these earbuds. And of course, without wasting any of your time, I'm gonna jump forward the unboxing process. I got this as a member of Amazon Prime at $24.99. I don't know, the MRP of this product is actually $3,999, but I don't know if it's a discount of Prime or not, but I got this for $24.99. And the usual manual BS that nobody actually sees unless you are seeing it for the touch controls. Apart from that, included in the box is 2 ear tips. Now these ear tips, one is the smallest ear tip that you can use for the earbuds, as well as the biggest ear tips. So the medium ear tips are installed on the earbuds already. And what the hell do we get here? A USB type A, not C. I mean, are we in 2015? It's really weird that they included USB type A with 511, and they have included actually USB type C with all the 440, the simple one and the Pros. It's really weird. First look at the 511, and it looks like a normie case. I mean, it is a very delicate case. If you see the slider of this case, it seems like this case can be broken down into two in like some weeks of usage, to be honest. It's very delicate. And of course, you can see the type A charging slot. It's very old fashioned, man. Even USB type C has been in the market for like, I don't know, 5+ years. First look at the earbuds, and well, I would say the design is not any new from the earbuds that have already been in the market for like years and years. So from design perspective, creating a new design, it's a 0 out of 10, to be honest. It's just a simple design, and I am actually guessing that this design won't fit good in my ears. I'm just guessing it at this point, but I'm gonna see it in the fit test whether these are a good fit for my ears or not. Alright, so I'm gonna wear these AirDops 511 version 2 now. And one thing that I've noticed while pairing these is that they don't get paired while in the case. You have to get them out of the case, then they get paired with the smartphone. As you can see right now also, they are not paired. So I'm gonna get them out. So they are out now. And if you're seeing, they just got paired. So you have to get them out. They won't get paired. As you can see, they are paired. AirDops 511 version 2, you can see on the phone. So they don't get paired if they are in the case. You have to get them out. Now coming on to the fit is really terrible with the accustomed ear tips. I'm gonna change these ear tips to the smallest ear tips because these ear tips are just not for my ears. So I've changed it to the smallest ear tips. Still the fit is, as you can see, they are just sliding out of my ears. If I just, did you see that? They are not for my ears. They are really not great for my ears. I don't know. if it's just for my ears or what, but I'm having trouble adjusting them to my ears. So they have stuck to my ears a bit, as you can see now. They look good, they look really good, but the fit is, I would say, fair to middling. It's not really great. It's not one of the best fit of earbuds that I've seen in the past. I've seen a lot of earbuds and I've reviewed a lot of earbuds and I've seen great fits, but these are not one of the great fits that I've seen. Alright, moving on to the sound test. So I'm gonna play one of my favorite song right now. I mean, it is also my favorite song from some months, but this is one of my favorite songs when to play in Insta Reels. It's Vacation by Dirty Hits. So I'm gonna play this song
right in front of me.
on 90% volume, I would say. Every single day, every single day. Alright, now that I've listened to this song, I can surely judge these earbuds on terms of sound quality. I would say these don't have the sound quality. Like, if you overall bunch out the sound quality, the sound quality is really not good. It is like 7 out of 10, not even 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 would be also really good. I would rate it 5.5 out of 10 in sound quality. The bass is good, the mids and highs are good. It's just that the overall sound quality is not coming out to be the top notch. It's not really good. But yeah, the bass is good. I would say bass is like 7 out of 10. Treble is, I would say, 6 out of 10. It's not that much, but it is present over there. And mids and highs are good, but overall sound quality is not good. I won't recommend them over any earbuds. I would say I suggest 441 Pro as the best earbuds under 3000 rupees. Also right now, I mean, there are so many new earbuds by Boat, but I still recommend 441 Pro because the quality, sound quality of them, the fit of them is just incomparable with any other buds right now. So I think there is no point of doing the shake test, but I still consider it as doing the shake test because these are just barely sticking to my ears, but I'm still gonna do the shake test in 3, 2, 1. There you go. There you go. That's why I was not doing the shake test. So just straight on, I'm gonna say this, that don't buy these under 3000 rupees. They come at a price of 2500 rupees. I mean, they get at a price of 4000 rupees, but I got at a price of 2500 rupees after discount or something. I don't know, it was a discount of being a Prime member or what, but I got them for 2500 rupees, 24.99 to be precise. And just don't go for them. I mean, the 441 Pro is still a winner, is still a stellar choice to choose from if you are looking for any earbuds under 3000 rupees. I've previously also made this video of the best earbuds under 3000 rupees, and still 441 Pro wins over 511. I don't know how. I mean, the 511 was supposed to be better, but it isn't better. It is just not. And I also have with me some of the other eardopes. They are the latest of eardopes by Boat right now, and I'm gonna review them. They are supposed to be better than the 511, 441 Pro. I'm gonna see if they are better or not. I mean, 511 is surely a really poor implementation of sound as well as fit. They're just not good. What exactly Boat have done with these earbuds is terrible, to be honest. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel for more of these awesome tech videos, travel videos, as well as motivational videos. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep washing your hands, bro.